A lot of you have been asking us how do we live on a boat full time and where we have our mailbox or where we deliver all our mails. So to answer this question, let me grab you on a small tour to our virtual mailbox. Did you already grab the wheel? Alright. So our dinghy is actually not happy anymore because, it's quite old. The electric motor is like 2 years old. Hopefully we would be able to do it all our runs today on this dinghy because, you would be able to hear it. Yeah, it's not happy. It's still working. Kinda. But the good thing is, for our upcoming video about dinghy, which we already published on our YouTube channel, we got our new electric motor, which is already on our virtual mailbox. So we're gonna receive it today and we're gonna film the video, which you already seen it on our YouTube channel. This is how it works. It's not chronological in any order, but this is how we do our channel. Alright, I'll text you.
Before moving to live on a boat full time, we had a problem to figure out. We can't have an official address on a boat. We don't have a family in Canada who could technically give us an official residency or receive our mail, and we don't own any property. So we found a service called Anytime Mailbox that covered this question. By the way, it's not an advertisement. We've been paying for this service for the last 3 years and will continue paying. It costs us about $15 a month, plus every picking up is additional $2. If we don't pick up parcels within 10 days, there's daily fee for extra storage, and there's some other additional services you can purchase. But all prices and what's included in it are vary from the different locations, so I would recommend to check the details with your closest office. But before we go deeper in the topic, I want to say a few words about our today's sponsor, PCBWay. It's a service where you can order custom manufactured parts or PCBs for your project online and it will be delivered to your doorstep. But as we don't have a doorstep on the boat, it also gets delivered to our mailbox. We've been using this service quite a lot for our recent Prius drivetrain swap, as they offer CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and injection molding. And this time, Dima received a new custom PCB to finally being able to use Prius as a generator. It's never been easier. You just upload your design to the website and receive an instant quote for the production. And you don't need to order a bunch. If you need one custom piece, you order one piece. And it's that simple. Check the link in the description to get $5 free credit for your first project. And thank you PCBWay for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the topic. This service is technically working as a mailbox, but has two really cool features. It gives us a legal address that we can use for all documents, deliveries, and residency. And they also receive our parcels and letters, send us notifications when they receive it with pictures. It's like you have your personal assistant who receives your mail. And if we're somewhere far away traveling, for example, they can resend parcels to another address. Or they can scan a letter and send us digital copy. This will go for an extra fee, of course. We had so many different things delivered there over the years. Multiple generators, little small parcels, our Mantus anchor we received last year. And now Dima is on the way to pick up dinghy motor, 2 backup batteries, and a fridge. Yes, at the same time. It's going to be huge. They told us that we can purchase anything that can fit through the door. So that's what we did. I will leave our affiliate link to the service in the description if you need it. Check them out, as they do offer the same services in a big list of countries. By using this link, you support our channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us to produce more videos for you guys.
Hi.
Oh my God, you got so much stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, you got somebody's vehicle, I hope?
Yeah, I'll call Uber. Is it all for me? I hope no.
All this stuff is yours.
Yep. I see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What usually happens when we receive heavy parcels? We order an Uber. Last time we had to deliver a heavy anchor to another town from our mailbox location, so we asked a friend with the car to help us. And honestly, we can't thank him enough for doing this. What's going on here?
What's going on?
It's Christmas. This Christmas party, my job is to just wait and keep an eye on the stuff. And I'm kind of glad, but the fridge is going to be heavy. While unguarding the boxes, Dima brought them one by one to the boat till the last and the biggest one, the fridge. We loaded it to the dinghy together and had to push it up above the entrance as it did not fit through the door opening. And now we have to do something with all of it.
Okay, that was quite a massive delivery. So well, I hope it's answered your question how we deliver all our stuff to our boat. With a bunch of struggle. I mean, I wish it would be a little bit easier, but this is pretty much the biggest freezer which we can bring on dinghy right now, even though originally I was planning to put like this entire section was supposed to be freezer with a cut section on the top, so the countertop should be technically the lid of the freezer. We decided to go with a little bit smaller freezer, so it's gonna be fit inside. We would be able to increase a little bit of storage here, and we technically would be able to bring it on the dinghy. So this is gonna be set up for this year. In terms of what we delivered here today, we have a freezer, we have a new dinghy electric motor, and we have battery for our fridge system. More of that already perhaps was published on the channel, so check the links in the description or subscribe on our channel and stay tuned because some of those videos coming next. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for staying with us. Let us know what you think about this delivery method, about this service, etc. and see you in the next one.